Hey guys, it's Melody Lane here, and it's time for another mystery box. This one is just a digital mystery box, but it's Christmas in July. These are some fun Christmas images. I've already started playing with it. I made this Christmas ornament. Isn't it cool? Yeah, I even debossed on it. It has writing, but I debossed it. I have so many ideas. There's 3 in here that are like this, and all the pieces are interchangeable. I've cut out some on brushed paper and debossed it. And I made one really big using holographic foil acetate. We're gonna make a big one, not for a Christmas ornament. We're putting holographic vinyl on it, and we're gonna hang it in, I want to say a little girl's room, but it's going to be my room. And so I think that's going to be fun to have a ball with some holographic on it and clear. I could even hang something through it or put something on the inside of it, I think. And they don't even have to be made this way. It can be longer and you've score them down the middle and glue them together. There's so many different ways, and there's a lot more ornaments in here that are more than what you see. I will be doing some videos on some of these. So let's see what's in the mystery box. So the first thing is DJ Inker's Smiles for the Season. These are some cards. I love DJ Inkers. They really do some great things. Christmas love from our family to yours. They make Christmas cards so easy. Happy holiday, Christmas love. I love that. I haven't seen Christmas love like that. Some trees, some little holly. Smiles for the season. So you get that cartridge. You also get 10 fonts. So you will own these 10 fonts forever if you purchase a mystery box. And Miss Kate Cuttables, Merry Christmas. Look how cute these are. Look at the snowman. Okay, we're going to bring him in. Look, those trees are really nice. Look at how cute. Oh, the red truck. The penguin. Oh, and look at that guy. They're so cute. And no fox. Okay, I want to bring these in just to look at them really fast. I have not looked at this cartridge yet. Oh, wow. Okay, so look at all the layers. Now you don't have to do all these layers. If you don't want to, you can hide some of them. Or just do that. That's cute to have different colors on there. But you can hide some of them. There's lots of them. You can take any of these images. Here, let's do this. You can change the color of any of the pieces if you want to. I'm thinking pink. Let's do purple. And you can select it and you can flatten it if you don't want to do all those pieces, and you got to print and cut. How much fun is that? Love this tree. They make things so easy to piece these together. Let me show you. Let's ungroup it. Let me grab it down here. And I'm just going to pull the pieces away. So it's not a lot of little pieces. You got the back piece, this, and then you put that on top of it. So now you got the trunk down here. You put this on there for some snow, and then you lay this one on top of it. They're layered really nice. So if you haven't done paper, it's really easy just to glue these on top of each other. Snowman and the Santa, they're so cute. Let's see what else is in here. J Goody Designs. I love her stuff. She doodles and she draws on all of her images. These circles are what this one is the one that I just showed you. I've also got some of these out, and we're gonna have fun with those. And these you can also make into 3D ornaments. These are awesome. The bow, the wreath, this flower, they all have writing in them. You could deboss. You can change the writing to deboss, like I did. So let's bring this in so you can see how it comes. It comes like this, and I will show you how to do it in a video later, but you can have it as an ornament long like this. and I'll show you that too. Or you can have it in the ball like I showed you, like this. Isn't that fun? And I was thinking too, you could string a whole bunch of these together. You can make them smaller. You can make them less detail, like this one. I only did one piece. There's nothing to glue to this. I put the debossing right on the base piece, and I'm going to bend this and make this a ball too. It's not that hard. You can make smaller ones. You can string them along, or you can hang them down like this and hang multiple on one string if you want. It's so much fun. Okay guys, these images will not be available for sale in Cricut Design Space or in Access for another month. So if you want these now, the only way to get them is in this digital mystery box. And with this price, you can't beat the price and getting all these images for that one low price. My discount code does not work on digital images, so it won't work. But it's not too early to start working on Christmas. It's Christmas in July. There is a link below in the description. By using that link, I do get a small commission, and it's really appreciated. It doesn't cost you any extra. Bye.